We are in the kitchen of Project Fluid. This kitchen is organic and elevated. It is the epitome of a display kitchen. We have a scullery in the back where all the magic happens, but in the kitchen, I want to talk about some of the details. Everything in here is all about curvature, and we brought that to life with the curves of the island here. As you can see, it's not a rectangle, the edges are soft. And we also have a marble countertop with a double bullnose edge. It's these little details that make it just feel really special. On the island here too, we have a white oak and it's curved, and we stained it this beautiful soft brown color. This island was really actually difficult to execute. However, the craftsmanship with the cabinet company, they just did such a great job. We have this little bead that goes all over the edge. It just makes it feel unique and like a statement piece and a piece of furniture within the kitchen. Coming back here where the range is and the vent hood, this is all plastered, and we have that curve here as well. This oversized vent hood is so perfect for how grand this space is. We thought it would just be really beautiful to have a statement piece in the kitchen that's actually much, much larger than the range. Since there is so much storage in the scullery behind the kitchen, we opted to forego your typical cabinetry above the countertop, and we have these alabaster sconces. They just add a soft glow, and we have the marble that goes up the backsplash with a very small edge. Before we head into the scullery, let's talk about this stained grade white oak display cabinet. This piece, we really wanted it to look like a piece of furniture and be a statement that you see from the living room and the kitchen. We brought the beaded detail from the kitchen onto the drawers and doors, and we also designed the shaped glass that's curved, very similar to the details that are in the kitchen. Come on back to the scullery. In the scullery, this is where all the magic happens. When you're entertaining and you have guests, this is where the dirty dishes go. Some of the details I want to call out are this countertop. So this is actually a honed granite. It's hard to tell that it's granite. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's just so durable for a working kitchen. This is the workstation sink with the dual faucets. And then in the scullery is also the pantry. So we have tons of storage here, a built-in coffee maker by Thermador. We have an additional refrigerator and also a cooktop right here on the countertop. The living space and the entire home was inspired by the homeowner's travels, specifically in the Mexico region. We really wanted this home to feel like a resort and have that indoor-outdoor vibe, and that is absolutely achieved here in this living space. Not only did we bring in natural materials like this beautiful stone, this floating hearth for the fireplace, but we also have this secondary dining area out here facing the pool. The focal point of this home is this beautiful sculptural tree that's at the center of the entryway. The homeowners really love travel, and they brought a lot of elements from their travels, specifically in Mexico, back to their residence in Texas. We love designing the fifth wall, which is the ceiling. In this primary suite, we designed a curved detail on the ceiling that flows throughout the rest of the home, and we love how it makes this space feel. When designing resort-like homes, we love to incorporate wellness elements throughout the home. In this primary bathroom, we have a cold plunge and a hot tub. There's also these beautiful, gorgeous sliders that open up, so it's a real indoor-outdoor feeling in this space. In addition to a cold plunge and a hot tub, we also have a steam shower. This shower is probably one of my favorite elements of this primary suite. Come check it out.